Hey, what's going on? It's your girl Jasmine Tutton back with another video here. I'm going to talk about the Conversion Pros, a system that I use in regards to keeping up with my leads, following up with my leads, and also building sale funnels and autoresponders and so much more as well too within this amazing system here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do CBD oil because I know a lot of people are doing that opportunity, the CBD oil as well too. And right now we're on the page builder. But I'm going to go here. Give me just a moment. I'm going to click on landing pages, excuse me. I'm going to show you that these are already pre-built landing pages. All you have to do is change them to, to fit your niche and what you actually like. See how all these pages are automatically pre-built? Whatever business that you're doing, you can use these pages, especially, something for the holidays. People do credit repair. You got pages for that. Um, Lead magnets, we got that. Keto diet, we got pages for that. So I'm going to go and pick a page here for the CBD oil. I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to preview it first just to show you can always preview it before you actually copy and actually edit. So this right here may not have to pretty much change too much of nothing. CBD oil is shocking the medical industry. There are so many testimonies from people with a wide array of health issues swearing by the CBD oil. You need to be informed. So, okay, boom. This is a nice looking landing page, right? Okay. We can probably check out these other ones as well. We can preview this one. Well, it says not found on that. Let's preview this one. Okay, here we go. Have you heard of CBD oil? So it's a nice little landing page here, that can draw some attention to some people. Might not have to change too much of nothing. So let's copy this page right quick. Let's go, yes, that we want to start edit this page. Edit is what I'm trying to say. Okay, have you heard of CBD oil? It's all over the news as the fastest way to become rich. This industry is the biggest boom since .coms. Our company is creating millionaires and you can be the next. If you snooze, you lose. You will lose because you will never get this time and again. Okay. Well, it's very self-explanatory. It's, a nice little landing page there as well. You can always change, the background if you like. You can go here to pick background image if you would like to or something else or just keep it. So we have different background images that you can choose from. CBD. See, we have one for that. So just want to show you how easy and simple it is. If you want to edit something, you can click on edit content. If you want to change the style and font, you can do style. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. Easy and simple. This is where people will fill out their information and go to the next page. This right here is where you will put your autoresponder. I will show you where the autoresponder is located as well. Okay, very simple. Let's say I want to keep it this way. Let me go ahead and save Lander, right? It's taking its time trying to save, I see. Let's try it again. Okay, so I think it's probably already saved. Let's exit out. Let's go to page builder and let's see if it's there. Okay, let's see. Okay, CBD oil is there, as you can see, the page that we did. Okay, now we're going to go into, let's say, create page because we want to actually do, let's see, give me a moment. Put some videos here for the next page. Okay, let's do a 2 video page. Let's edit that. All right, so now we're on here. So what we can do is we can go to YouTube and, excuse me here, we can go to YouTube and we can put in CBD. It's coming up, CBD oil. Let's see what we can do. We can search for a video here. We can pick this one. What is CBD oil? So people can know what it is. Pause that. Click the share button. You copy the link. It's copied. Show you how easy this is. Go back to the page. Go to edit content. You can either use Vimeo or YouTube. Paste that in. Boom, there goes your video. You save it. Look, boom, there's your video. You can edit this. Edit content. All right, let's edit this. You can do watch the video below. You can do that. What you can do is you have to change this when you actually go into before you save your lander. You can do info, CBD info. And then once you do that, you click on save lander. Okay, showing you how easy and simple that pretty much is. And then you can also, change this as well too. Let's try to find another video about CBD. We can do how CBD oil impacts the body. Share, copy, go back to the page here, do edit content, remove this, paste that, boom, there you go. You can change this. And learn more below. Boom, simple as that. You can also change the background. Just showing you how easy and simple this really truly is. An easy drag and drop system. So you want to go and find the background here. CBD, click on this. Okay, we can, let's see. Let's choose this picture. Confirm it. Boom, there you go. All right, so we have that done. You can take this away. You can delete this. Yes. You can also delete this as well. This right here, I'm going to show you. I'm not going to actually just do it. I'm going to show you to where you can actually put in your Facebook, your Twitter, and your other social media accounts and actually choose the color and save it. Just simple as that. Okay, so now we have this automatically done. Going to go ahead and save lander. So, boom, there you go. Let's say, for instance, you want to take them to the CBD oil page if they want to buy something. I'm already, just went to the page automatically just so I can actually show you. So I'm going to take this link here. I'm going to copy. Go back here. I'm going to edit component. You can do click here, put that. You can edit component, edit content, excuse me. Take this out. You want to redirect them to the CBD oil page. Boom, put that in there. URL is good. Save it. There you go. You can always change the color, the style, however you want it by clicking on style A. Okay, got that in there, correct? Just showing you, man, how easy it is to put a page together, a sale funnel. Just how easy it is. Okay, now we are done with that. I'm going to exit out. Sorry about that. Now we're going to go back to, going to refresh my page. Going to go back to page builder. So what we're going to do here, we're going to take the last page that we did, info. We're going to get the link. We're going to copy. We're going to go to CBD oil. That's the first page we did, the lander page. We're going to edit. Okay, now with that being said, we're going to go here where it has the information about filling out the name. We're going to click on edit content. That's what we're going to do. This is where the second page will go here. We're going to paste that in there. URL looks good. Going to use that. We're going to save. Boom, there you go. All right, once we have done that, we're going to save lander. Lander has been saved. Exit out. This is where you will go on this side to actually do your autoresponders. Autoresponders, I already have some set up for, other sales funnel pages that I have actually built. Not going to just go through all of that, but I'm just showing you how easy and simple it actually is. So now I'm going to refresh page since we have done that. So now we're going to take the first page that we have done. We're going to get the link. We're going to copy the link. We're going to go to tiny URLs to shorten the link out. New tiny URL. We're going to paste it in here. We're going to click on create. Boom, there you go. We're going to go ahead and copy this. Copy. Now we're going to go and open up a new window. We're going to paste that in. Boom, there you go. Exactly what we have actually went through. How simple and easy is that? Have you heard of CBD oil? It is all over the news as the fastest way to become rich. Boom, I'm going to go here. I'm going to put in, some information just to show you. Put in my information just to test drive it, right? Boom, there you go. The video we found on YouTube, watch the video below. You click on the video, it's going to start playing for you. The background that we chose. There you go, background that we actually chose. It looks pretty good. Learn more below, how CBD oil impacts the body. See? That's simple. That was an easy and quick process. I showed you how you can actually on the video to put your social media pages right here. See the website that we went to? Click here. Boom. There go your website that we actually went to. That people can actually search more about CBD oil and actually purchase as well too. So I'm showing you how easy and simple this is truly is. That's it. Simple as that. So most definitely, if you want to test drive the conversion pros for the 14-day free trial, most definitely look in the description below here for all the information. And most definitely contact me on Facebook as well too. You guys have a blessed and awesome day. Talk to you guys soon.